Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create clickable audio in a presentation in Canva. Let's face it, keeping your audience engaged during presentations can be a real challenge. However, adding clickable audio to your slides can transform a simple presentation into an interactive experience. Whether you're giving a lecture, pitching a sales idea, or crafting a fun project, this feature makes your content far more dynamic and interesting. By the end of this tutorial, you'll become skilled at embedding audio tracks that listeners can activate with just a click, turning your slides into a lively audio-visual display. Let's get started right away. First things first, make your way over to Canva. If you're not logged in, now's a good time to do so. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is quick and free. Once you're on the Canva homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the Create button. Clicking it unveils a variety of design options. Among these, choose Presentation. Consider this your digital workstation, a space designed specifically for crafting stylish and easily navigable slides. With your blank presentation ready, it's time to incorporate audio. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a toolbar. Click on the Elements tab. Within this panel, there is a section dedicated to audio. You might need to scroll a bit, but soon you'll discover a range of audio clips, anything from serene background music to dramatic sound effects. For this demonstration, simply select an audio track that suits the theme of your presentation. For instance, if you're preparing a high-energy kickoff meeting, you might opt for something upbeat. Conversely, for a meditation guide, a more soothing track would be ideal. Now, here's a crucial step. Click on the audio you want to use to add it to your page. It will manifest as a small audio bar at the bottom of your slide, indicating that the audio is now linked to this specific page. However, if you were to present this as is, the audio would play automatically upon reaching this slide. That's not quite what we're aiming for if we want a controlled, clickable audio experience. To transform this into a clickable item, go to the top right corner of your Canva window. Click on Share, and then select Download. When the download options appear, be sure to choose MP4 as your file type. This step may take a little time as Canva integrates the animation and audio, especially if your internet connection is a bit sluggish today. Once it's ready, save the MP4 file to an easily accessible location, like your desktop. Now, return to your presentation slide. Here's a little trick. Remove the original audio from your slide. Simply click on the audio bar at the bottom and hit Delete. Consider this a bit like tidying up your workspace before proceeding with a new task. It prepares your slide for the new clickable audio element we're about to introduce. Next, upload your MP4 audio back into Canva, just as you would with any video or image file. You can either drag and drop it directly onto your slide or use the Uploads tab. Once uploaded, click to add it to your slide. Now you have a video file that visually appears on your presentation. When presenting, clicking this video will activate your audio. It essentially functions as a click-to-play audio button, all thanks to Canva's user-friendly platform. This additional step might seem a bit indirect, but it grants you greater control over when your audio plays, perfect for timing sound effects, narrations, or music with precision. And there you have it. Your Canva presentation is now enhanced with clickable audio, making your slides significantly more interactive. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider giving this video a like and let us know in the comments if you encountered any difficulties or if there are other Canva features you're curious about. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more straightforward, step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to create clickable audio in presentation in Canva. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online.